Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Adeshala May. Should you be joining us for the very first time? I'm a YouTuber and content creator based in Ibadan, Nigeria. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my new vlogging camera. I'm actually very excited about this one. I received it like yesterday, but I wanted to make sure that I showed you guys before opening it, because one thing about me is I don't have the choose and patience to unbox stuff. Okay. So today we're going to be unboxing my new Sony ZV1 Mark 2 camera. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. This is what the box looks like. As you can see, digital camera ZV1 Mark II. I actually got this for 729,000 naira here in Nigeria, but it's currently selling for it's almost $850 on Amazon. I was supposed to order from Amazon, but when I converted it, like the exchange rate, dollar is currently selling for about 930 per dollar. It was relatively the same thing. So I figured, just sell your dollars and buy in naira, that kind of a thing. So I ordered for these directly from Sony's official distributor here in Nigeria. I'm going to leave their details in the description box. Just tell them from me, okay? Maybe they can sign me or sponsor my videos, okay? Yeah, so this is what the video looks like. This is what the camera looks like. I don't want to do like any b-roll or anything, because I want to be like pretty chilled about this video. So when you open it up close like this, okay, before I show you what the camera looks like, let me show you the accessories I got. So for the camera, I got this ScanDix 128 gig memory card. Okay, and this one has a speed of 200 MB per second. And this is the kind of memory card I use for this camera I'm filming with. I'm currently filming with the Canon EOS M50 paired with a Yongnuo lens 35mm 1.2. Okay, I also got the battery pack, because this battery pack, because one thing about Sony is they are not going to add chargers and whatever it is. I don't know. Like, I've seen a lot of videos and they don't add all of those things. Yeah. Another thing I have here, another thing I bought two extra batteries for the camera, because why not? It's going to be like a vlogging camera. So I want to make sure I'm not restricted in any way. Right. So let's unbox the camera. This is why you are here. I know. Okay. I'm going to unbox it. So when you open up, like I said, no bureaus. I don't have the strength. Open up. Do you really want to see what's inside? Or I should close it. So when you open it up like this, the first thing you'll see, I think these are the manuals. You'll definitely get manuals in every camera that you buy. We're not interested. And then this is what the inside of it looks like. Inside looks like this. Now let's take out what we spent money on. What else? Empty. What's this? Okay. Why is it so hard to come out? Okay, now we have the battery and then empty. 720,000 naira. What's it on? 729,000 naira. Bye. So let's start from the battery. I'm stalling this video. All right, so this is what the battery looks like. I'll have to label the battery so I don't mix it up. Okay, I can differentiate. Yeah. Okay, so that's the battery, and this is the camera itself. Eee, my baby. My baby. Ooh, my baby. Look at how small it is. Now I will be able to kind of like vlog conveniently without stressing about anything. This is my first ever Sony camera. I wanted to buy the ZV1 in 2021, but I wanted something much more smaller. So I went for the DJI Pocket 2, which I really love, but sometimes I just feel like it's not giving me what I want. So I'm like, okay, you know what? As a rich kid that I am, I'm gonna buy this. Okay, period. Now, this is what a camera looks like, and this is what the back looks like. It's actually a very small portable camera. Let me show you. These are the buttons. Okay, this is the front. And I actually love the fact that they moved where the tripod is going to be. That's one of the reasons why I even picked this one over the ZV1, because for this my camera that I'm using, I always have to kind of like remove it from the tripod if I have to change the battery, if I have to pull out the SD card. But I think for this it's amazing, amazing, amazing. And yeah, we have this. Life not supposed to add now. We have this. This is supposed to be like the windshield or whatever they call it. And we just have to kind of like clip it. I wish I actually have the strength to do B-rolls, but let's move closer. So you just have to kind of like, is it like this? Clip it on here. Hey. Yes. So let's power this on, and I'm going to be, inserting the battery. The battery is not yet charged. I've not opened it since it came. So I'm just going to pull the battery. I'm sure we all know where the battery goes into. So there's an open and lock button right here. I'm just going to kind of like, pull the battery, then the SD card. Guys. So to lock, I just have to, put it down. Yeah. Are you ready? Let me get a tripod. Let me get a tripod. So this is my what's it called? My DJI Pocket 2. I love this camera, by the way, but if you want to buy it, please reach out to me. I bought it for, I think, 300 and almost 400K when I bought it. So if you want to buy, hit me up. I must sell it to you. I'm tired of it. Let us mount the newest baby. I love the fact that this is here. I absolutely love, love that. I'm new to this Sony system, but I should be able to figure this out now. Let's turn it on. How do I actually turn it on? Now that's the problem. Okay, there's a red button here. Let me flip the screen first. Ugh! It gives me joy. I'm not gonna lie. It gives me joy. Joy, trust me. Okay, so we're gonna click on English. Connect your smartphone via Bluetooth. I can't do that right now. So back, do not connect. Smartphone can be connected later from the smartphone connect in the menu. I just want to kind of like test this one up front, like, straight up. Set area, date and time. I'm gonna set this later. Oh, did you see the guy? Ooh, love it. Ah, okay. The joy. So let me, first impression. First impression, it's white. I love it. But I've not started recording. Okay, let me click on record button. Is it recording now? Tracking cancel. Is it recording? I don't even know. Okay, hey guys, what's up? Oh, it's so light. I love it. I think it's tracking my eyes. What else can I see? It just has a lot of things on the menu that I'm yet to figure out. Maybe I'll just take my time to figure this out. But for now, I think first impression, it's not bad. It's not bad. But it's saying tracking cancel. So maybe I have to tap on it. Why is it smoothing my face like this? I don't know. I'll have to learn about this later. But this is like the first out of the box settings, like no settings, like first out of the box impression, no settings. I'm gonna try to put it side by side by this video and see, except that it has like a smoothing effect. To be honest, that's one of the reasons why I bought it. I want to look as if I'm fresh and fine. But is it recording? Yeah, it is. And I'm also going to like see how clear the camera is. But overall, I think I love it, and I'm sincerely hoping that it's gonna worth my money. But it's not tracking my face, it's just tracking my eyes. I'm going to have to like learn. Oh, I can zoom in like this right from the screen. Oh wow, wide angle. I don't know. But I should be able to film in auto. This is probably filming in manual. So let me stop it. Stop. Let me try to see if I can film in. Okay, I was shooting in something, so I don't know. Manual exposure portrait. Okay, I can shoot in manual. Okay, but I should be able to set my white balance. Oh, this is the zoom. Hmm. I don't know, to be honest. I don't know. Stop. I think it's just a pretty good camera. I love that it is small and prepared to be sick of my vlogs, guys. Don't worry, don't worry. Oof! I can actually use this to film a video. The smoothing, the smoothing effect is, and it's so freaking wide. Let me show you. It's so freaking wide. Ah, it's not recording. No, is it recording? Okay, it's recording. Yeah, it's so freaking wide. I love it. I think I love it, but I'm not gonna use this to. It's blocking my camera to film like YouTube videos. No, this is not going to like serve as. I don't know, but hey guys, what is up? Okay, yeah, wish me. So I think we should round up the video today because I mean, I could go on and on about this camera. I know nothing about it. I'm going to try to charge the batteries before even coming back to do anything. I'm going to take my time and maybe share with you whatever it is that I learn. Okay. Yeah. So I think overall, let me know if you think this camera is worth how much I got it. For a fact, I know it's because of Naira, because to me, I don't think dollar is that $800 is a lot of money for a camera, because even this M50, when I bought it, it was like $700. So it's just $100 difference. But I bought this M50 for 350,000 naira, and $100 difference. This is like almost 750. So it's just our naira that is shitty, which is why you need to save and invest your money in dollars. Okay. Thank you very much. So I've come to the end of this video. If you find it helpful, or I don't know what I did, but yeah, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment down below. Let me know if you want to see more reviews about this. See you in my next one. Bye.
¿Cuánto tiempo tengo sin verte? En verdad no quiero creerte. Cuando te fuiste quedó en